In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close an options contract in the Robinhood app. Whether you're taking profits, cutting risk, or heading into expiration, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. Quick reminder, options carry risk and aren't suitable for everyone, so move carefully and double check each screen before you submit. First, open the Robinhood app and head to the Investing tab. That's where all of your current positions live. If you see an options section, tap into it to view your open contracts. If you don't see that shortcut, tap the stock that holds the options position you want to exit. Your open option will appear within that stock's page under your positions. Next, locate and tap the exact contract you want to close. You'll see details like whether it's a call or a put, the strike price, and the expiration date. Make sure those details match the position you intend to exit, especially if you have multiple expirations or strikes in the same ticker. From the contracts page, choose trade, then select sell to close. This instruction tells the app you're closing an existing long options position. For example, if you originally bought a call, selling to close offsets that position and realizes your gain or loss. You're not opening a new short, you're simply exiting what you already hold. Now choose how many contracts to close. Remember, one options contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. If you hold more than one, you can select a partial amount or all of them. Review the order details carefully. You'll see the price, the estimated credit you'll receive if it fills, and any relevant disclosures. Check that the ticker, strike, expiration, and order size are correct. When everything looks good, confirm by swiping up to submit the order. After you submit, the app will show the order as pending until it fills. Fills depend on market conditions and the bid-ask spread, so it may execute immediately or take a bit longer. Once filled, your position will update in the Investing tab, your options holding will decrease or disappear, and your buying power will reflect the proceeds minus any fees. That's it. You've just closed an options contract on Robinhood quickly and confidently. If you found this helpful, keep practicing with small positions, stay mindful of expiration dates, and always verify the contract details before you swipe.